One team, one chance, one electronics failure, all is lost. We are Lions Racing Team from TU Braunschweig, car number E91, LUMA GmbH. This is the Backplane. It is in our car right now. We build a 3D printed modular housing that centralizes every PCB in one unit, and each board shows you the exact zone where it is failing. No laptop, no cable, just light, in under 3 seconds. We are entering a 11 million euro European market that competitors have left fragmented and underserved. Our customers, motorsport teams across Europe, automotive prototyping labs and Formula student teams will become our channel into both. Assembled and shipped from Braunschweig, Germany. We are asking for 120,000 euros for a 22% equity in LUMA. ROI of up to over 75% after just 3 years. Year 1 salaries, 0, because Exist Gründerprogramm already evaluated our business case and approved it. An operational break-even is in the best case already in year 1. This is not a concept. This is not a plan on paper. This is the actual product in the actual car that raced this season. 3 features, no competitor matches. See the fault, fix the error, do the impossible. LUMA, the Backplane.